Hey guys, what's up? It's Scholar85 back with another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's for Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 1 and 2 remake. So yeah, I am really looking forward to playing this. I was 14 when the original came out in 1999, and I played quite a lot of it, so I'm really looking forward to getting back into this. The game has been getting some really good reviews, and yeah, really looking forward to going through it again. So yeah, as you can see on the front, we got Tony doing his thing. So original 2 games fully remastered. So that's the front, this side, and there's the back. Break skateboarding boundaries. It says all that. Then you got the skaters there. It is Xbox One X enhanced and all that other goodness. And there's up to 25 gig storage. Then inside, we just have the disc, and that's it. So yeah, that's it for my quick unboxing of Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 1 and 2, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. And for now, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you soon. Bye-bye.